Day 2, Italian Delights Breakfast Frittata. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup diced bell peppers, 1/2 cup diced onions, 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, salt and pepper, to taste 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Heat olive oil on the griddle and sauté the bell peppers and onions until softened. Add the tomatoes and cook for another 2 minutes. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables and cook until the eggs are set, about 5 to 7 minutes. Sprinkle with chopped basil before serving. Ricotta Pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup ricotta cheese, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon butter for cooking, maple syrup for serving. Instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a bowl, whisk together the ricotta cheese, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Combine the wet and dry ingredients until smooth. Melt butter on the griddle. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve with maple syrup. Lunch Caprese Sandwich. Ingredients: 4 ciabatta rolls, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella, sliced 2 large tomatoes, sliced 1/4 cup fresh basil, leaves 2 tablespoons balsamic glaze, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for brushing. Instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Slice the ciabatta rolls and brush the cut sides with olive oil. Place the rolls on the griddle and toast until golden brown. Layer the mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil on the bottom half of each roll. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and season with salt and pepper. Place the top half of the rolls on top. Serve warm. Pasta salad. Ingredients: 8 ounces cooked pasta, such as rotini or penne, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/2 cup sliced black olives, 1/2 cup diced cucumber, 1/4 cup diced red onion, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta, cherry tomatoes, black olives, cucumber, red onion, and feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Pour over the pasta salad and toss to coat. Serve chilled. Dinner Margherita Pizza. Ingredients: 1 pizza dough store, bought or homemade, 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella, sliced 1/4 cup fresh basil, leaves 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Roll out the pizza dough on a lightly floured surface to your desired thickness. Brush the griddle with olive oil and place the dough on the griddle. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is crispy and golden brown. Flip the dough and spread the tomato sauce on top. Add the mozzarella slices and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove from the griddle, sprinkle with fresh basil leaves, and season with salt and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil before serving. Chicken Alfredo. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 8 ounces fettuccine pasta, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil on the griddle and cook the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes on each side until fully cooked. Remove and slice thinly. Cook the fettuccine pasta according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet on the griddle, heat the heavy cream and minced garlic until simmering. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese and cook until the sauce is thickened. Add the cooked pasta and sliced chicken, tossing to coat in the sauce. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley. Dessert tiramisu. Ingredients: 1 cup brewed coffee, cooled 1/4 cup coffee liqueur, optional 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 24 ladyfingers, cocoa powder for dusting instructions. In a shallow dish, combine the brewed coffee and coffee liqueur, if using. Dip each ladyfinger into the coffee mixture and arrange a layer in a serving dish. In a bowl, beat the mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth and thick. Spread half of the mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers and the remaining mascarpone mixture. Dust the top with cocoa powder and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Panna Cotta. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon, vanilla extract, 1 packet unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup cold water, fresh berries for garnish instructions. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream and sugar over medium heat until the sugars dissolved. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Stir the gelatin into the warm cream mixture until dissolved. Pour the mixture into individual serving cups and refrigerate for at least 4 hours until set. Serve with fresh berries on top. Conclusion of Day 2. Today we explored the delightful flavors of Italian cuisine with delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From a hearty frittata to the classic tiramisu, each dish offers a taste of Italy's rich culinary heritage. Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.